Hi, lovely people. Glad to send you another message. The promotion is slow, but it's happening. The views, especially on TikTok, is increasing. I'm happy and thank you very much for everybody that support. My $15 promotion will end in another week. Then I'm going back to $25. So yes, jump now. Get your very cheap Christmas gift for $15. The link now is in my bio setup, so you can have a look and get the link and do the orders. I really appreciate that. Some news on When Dust Remembers. The process of turning the book into a movie script started today. And that is a huge process. A huge process. It is, as a novice, much more than what I expected it to be. But yes, looking at what I have in front of me, I think in about 2 years' time, this might be a Netflix series or some series on some private channels or a movie. But I think there is too much in the book to be one movie. Now, the consideration is to consider a movie and a follow-up movie. That is an open book, and we will see what we are doing. So yeah, that's news from me. People, please like this video, share this video, and please go on to Amazon and support me and purchase the book. Enjoy the book. Sit back, read it. Once again, let me explain the book. The first 2 chapters is about the total collapse of South Africa and what happens after that. Then the next 300 pages is about how South Africa recoups out of a suicidal death that a whole nation had to survive. People are great. Politicians are not so great. That's the message. Not all politicians, but certainly a lot of politicians. As you can hear, the phone is ringing. The messages is coming through. I'm a busy man. From my side, have a lovely day. Go to your loved ones and tell them that you love them. Enjoy your health if you got health. And support those that don't have health. Lovely day. Bye-bye.